I'm not going to flip out here or try to rip people's heads off to force people to listen to what I'm saying. I confirm that these are all constructed objects. Duh, it's pretty obvious. Mining shafts or whatnot. It could be anything. It could be HARP. It could be producing power, high terahertz. Um, you know, I don't know, but it's all constructed, and it goes all the way over to the left there. Just absolutely freaking mind blowing. Dark spots at the end of the tunnels could be something that's exhausting out of those tunnels and burning the surface. A pretty large area too of burnt if we see black like that. So the fact that there's refraction and that reflectivity of the surface, that is a surface that is freaking fake. It's deliberately something that's either produced or natural, and that they're using to blind us, to blind the surface. Look at those lines. It looks like little shafts that go in. Over to the right, you can see it's clearly cement that was poured out, obviously like we do here or something. But look at that. That looks like HARP. All those lines, or they could be tunnel systems. I mean, what the hell do you want them to be? But that's in the Apennine Mountains. So we got Apennine, Sinus Iridum, Copernicus, Bianchini Crater, the Southern Highlands. We have the north top side of the moon. All constructed. This is scary. The refractive surface that's hiding the whole structuring and lines. So it's not buildings they wanted to hide. It's the bloody lines. It's all those lines and pipes and tunnels they wanted to hide. So why wouldn't have NASA spoken to us all about those objects? That's not good. They must have found something there. There must be something really screwed up in the part of the story that they don't want to tell us. Guys, these look at the lines, the guitar strings again. Mining shafts? Or launch facilities, launch pads? You're going to hear me sounding out a whole bunch of different theories. I'm not confirming anything. I don't know, but I do confirm that that is constructed. I'll put my hand in the fire. Guaranteed it is. Oh, my God, they're going to kill me. I'm almost regretting it. Oh my God, it's all constructed, guys. All the way there. Hundreds of thousands of structures. Massive infrastructure. The Apennine Mountains. This is the biggest connected region. There's lots of bases. Now I know where they are, and we can compare the difference of bases. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It could be so many things. It could be HARP. It could be launching pads, where the dark spots at the end of the tunnels, it could also be letting out some type of heat or steam from the inside of the moon. This could be a spaceship. It's military. It's scientific. And this is absolutely incredible. We got it. We got the truth. We got a hell of a part of the truth now. Nobody's talking about this. Not Jeremy Corbell. Nobody. Nobody's talking about this. That scares me. Massive platform structures, all built by hand. There'd be thousands of people that would have built that. You could see this one here it's the massive pipe, the central pipe that I call it. Let me show you here. The structure's all there. This pipe here that goes all the way up, that passes everything, and it's all interconnected. Goes all the way down spiral. That is scary as hell, guys. You see it here? It's not easy, seeing these things, but you could see it clear enough here. It's clear enough that we could send somebody up to actually look at those structures. So now we'll find out if ever they land in the Apennine Mountains, Sinus Iridum, Copernicus Crater. We'll be watching them. And we'll know if they go to the structures, if NASA decides to land there. You can see black spots at the end of the lines too. like there are launch pads. There could be facilities where if there wasn't oxygen, they would maybe have to walk through those tunnels. But I don't know. I really don't think it's that what we're looking at. Haven't slept in about a week, knowing that that's up there. And most people see the surface quite reflective and quite blinding. Copernicus crater, east, what looks like a mining setup. All over, oh my God, all over Copernicus crater, all around Copernicus crater, we see so many structures. And there really are in industries, I'm pretty sure. And you could see that, industry would have so many hundreds of kilometers, and then, another industry a bit further away. It's absolutely incredible, because now we're going to be able to start comparing the facilities and industries. And, well, what's going to happen with that is we're going to find out a little bit of what they're doing up there, a lot more, because the research is helping us find so many things. This is life-changing. I could see them clear as day. There's the egg shape again. The city, the double crater. It's ridiculous that we can see them ever so well. Seriously. So up to a couple of hundreds of structures all together in cities with greenery and towering objects that are in the southern highlands, by the way, all indicated where I look for the structures and where I can see them. This is life-changing, and we're going to get a chance together to analyze all of these structures, and I'm just overwhelmed. I thank God so much. They're right there. I see them because we're on the edge of the Terminator line, guys. And all this surface needs to be analyzed. There's secrets every couple of centimeters. Whatever it is that they are doing up there, they're doing it in secrecy. And they're deliberately hiding themselves, whether it be because they're afraid of us or because they're doing nefarious things. Or it's a breakaway civilization of humans from here, like the Pentagon, but I honestly doubt it. Honestly, are we even there yet? Names missing on this video, but Paul Sabo and Pat Crossar, thanks for gifting out the memberships to help this channel grow. Aliens on the moon. When are they gonna tell the world? Come on, Pentagon. Aliens on the moon. Aliens on the moon. And they're mining. Really up there. And they're mining on the moon. Aliens on the moon. Thank you very much for the support to this channel. Everyone, thanks for the generous contributions, and thanks for watching the videos. Aliens up there on the moon. They may be even coming right here soon. Aliens are mining on the moon. Yes, they are up there. Doesn't matter, cause disclosure's coming soon.